Okay, so here's a quick tip if you're in sales, and that is don't depend on motivation to get you going, to get you the results, to keep you going on those phone calls, to keep you pushing, because motivation comes and goes. Depend on discipline. It's about doing the stuff that you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing it, and getting it done. So if you're in sales, if you're in cold calling, if you are smashing out the phones today, do not depend on motivation. Don't be ready and feel motivated to do it. You've got to depend on the discipline to do it when you don't feel like doing it. There's no excuses. There's no roller coaster rides where, I'm not up for it today. When I'm up for it, I'll be good. And today I just don't feel up for it. It's the days that you don't feel up for it when you have to have the discipline to get the job done when you don't feel like doing it. So that's my little tip for you, is don't depend on motivation to get you the results, depend on discipline.